Hi everyone, I'm Rita Lavon and welcome to my channel, Love Build Share. Today is shampoo day for me, and as you can tell I'm saying shampoo day and not wash day. I went to cosmetology school and one of the first things we learned in school is that you wash your clothes, you shampoo your hair. So it's just something that I've always just kept with me in my mind. Right now I have my microfiber turban on. I just shampooed my hair and I used the Main Choice Extra Healthy Shampoo. This was my first shampoo. For my second shampoo, I used the Kera Moisturizing Shampoo for color treated hair. And then for my conditioner, I used the Main Choice Extra Healthy Conditioner. Alright, so now I'm going to take this off. This is what my hair looks like. I got my towel and my little clip here just in case I get any water on myself. I'm going to spray some more water on it because even though I just shampooed it, my hair's so short, it'll mess around and be about to dry. So I'm just spraying some water in it. I just kind of rub that through so I can really see the length of my hair because I'm sure, as you all know, shrinkage is real. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner. Today I'm going to be using the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. I bought this from Marshall's. This was $7.99. Right, and a little goes a long way with this because I mess around and learned that before. You don't need a lot. You do not need a lot. So I'm just going to spray a little up in there. Yeah, just a couple of squirts. And I like to massage that in as I do with all the products I use. That is very important. Don't just leave it on the top of your hair. Make sure that it is fully incorporated to your hair and your scalp. Right? Now I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Hair and Scalp Oil. This is the one in the yellow bottle. They have two more. One is blue and the other one is like a kind of like a maroon type color. But this is the one that I'll be using today. Just go in, put a couple of drops of that. If I need it again throughout the week, I will. Just depends on my hair, of course. I definitely will say, since going natural, my scalp has been a lot better. When I had a relaxer, I definitely had more of like a dry scalp, an itchy scalp, but since going natural, things have definitely changed for me, and it's been really, really positive. So now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Styling Lotion. And just a little bit of that because you don't need much of this either. And I'm just going to rub this in my hands and then put this on my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my styler. So I'm going to be using the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. Now with this product, I only use this on shampoo day. So this is what I'm using for my shampoo day today. This is what I'm going in with right now, but I'm sure I'm definitely going to need more because it takes time once I shampoo my hair to really get back to what it looked like before. So I just kind of take it, you know, a little bit at a time and moisturize it in because it's truly a process. I done worked up a sweat. Child, this is work. All right. Shout out to the natural girls. And I'm just going to get this incorporated as much as I can. This side over here, sometimes she got a little attitude. So I got to treat her a little different. She needs a little extra help. So sometimes I got to go in a little bit more over here. I don't know what it is, but we're going to call her can't get right. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my sponge. My handy dandy sponge here. I'm going to turn around. I don't have a certain amount of time. I just do it until it looks the way that I want it to. You'll get a workout doing this too. Okay? Mess around and look at my watch. My watch done told me I done had a 10-minute activity. It's like I ain't do nothing but do my hair. So right now, for the product, I'm good. Let me let y'all look at the back. Okay, I am going to let this dry, and then I will come back with y'all and we'll finish. Alrighty, you guys, I am back. My hair is dry, so now I'm going to do what I call the fluffing portion of my hair, which is essentially just, you know, the second portion of styling. So now I'm going to put on some oil, more like a kind of like a gloss or a sheen, and this is the Main Choice A-MAZ-ZON Hair Day. That's actually how it's put on here. I'm not just saying it like that. And this is the Radiant Reflective Oil. So here is that product. Alright, so shake it up a little more. And I'm just going to put this all throughout my hair. And then I'm going to take my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to take this end of it, and I'm going to fluff out my hair. And this is basically just to get my hair to basically just stand up from all of the shrinkage. Just give it a little bit more form, because the curl is there, but it just needs the form of it. Take my dry brush. Does this have a number? No, this one doesn't have a number. It's just the brand is Annie's. This is what I am using. It's my dry brush. And for those that want to know like the number for my wet brush, this is the Evolve, and it's number 375 for those that are wondering about that. And I'll put it in the description box as well. Taking my dry brush, just combing down the portion of my hair in the back that is tapered. Not really much to that. Just making sure it all is laid flat. Now I'm just kind of going in with my hands to make sure that this is the way that I want it to look. And then I'm going to use my edge control. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Water-Based Pomade in the Sugar Melon scent. And for those that are wondering, it's not a strong smell. I had said in the previous video that I wanted the no scented kind, but it wasn't available. But so far so good again with this edge control. I really like it. And then I also put a little on the little hair right here. It's a little sideburn, little piece. Give you a cute little flip with it. Kind of play with it a little. Hopefully you all can see that. Let me turn around so you all can see the back. All right, you guys, I'm good to go. That is my shampoo day. I hope that you all have enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe.